Show him.
This is Wally, and this is a grass.
The grass.
Yeah, so many kinds of different color grasses.
Okay.
And this is the name.
Whose name is that one?
Daddy.
What is it?
It's Daddy name.
What is that? What's Daddy's name?
C.
Yeah.
What is this one?
Well, what's the word? His name?
Daddy.
No, the name.
Is.
His what?
What is it?
You said it before.
Name.
Say it. Say it louder.
Christopher.
Oh, you said it cuter before. Okay. What's your name?
Carolyn.
Carolyn what?
Carolyn Fuller.
Carolyn Fuller. And what's Daddy's name?
Christopher.
Christopher. Right. And show him the picture again. There you go, Daddy. Carolyn drew you a picture. Give him a kiss.